FEMBDC exception repair. This video shows how to fix the issue of version and coding lost when the app prompts the device to be abnormal or disconnected during the FEMBDC pre-processing process. Reconnect ACDP. Click BMW. Click FEMBDC. Click IMO mileage. Click FEMBDC F chassis. Re-identify FEMBDC. Click OBD detect FEMBDC. Click OK. Click OK. Compare the original FEM information to check whether the version and coding are lost. If they are lost, we can reverse write the data to repair it. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Here, we use add key as an example. Click Mode 1 Add Key. Click FEMBDC Initial Programming Process. Click Method 2 Manual Single Step Operation. Click Step 6 Recover EEPROM Data. Click OK. Click OK. Please select the ICP method. Click OK. Click OK. FEM selection is M95128. And BDC selection is M95256. We take M95128 FEM as an example. Click Recover. Click OK. Based on the date and time, select the original data starting with M. Recovery successful. Click OK. Click OK. Click Step 7 Recover coding data. Click OK. Click OK. Select the original coding data based on date and time. Recovery successful. Click OK. Click OK. Click the icon in the top left corner to return to the main menu. Click OBD detect FEMBDC. Click OK. Click OK. Check whether the version information and coding are correct. If correct, the repair is successful. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Pre-process FEMBDC as needed. Thank you for watching.